Another fine vehicle offered by FrankParraChevrolet.
This is a certified pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. Among the many superb features on this Chevrolet there are front power windows with one-touch operation, a dual-zone climate control system, a 6-speaker audio system, an audio system with a satellite link, a driver front airbag with multi-stage deployment, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 39,000 miles. This truck's powertrain features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
FrankParraChevrolet is located at 1000 East Airport Freeway in Irving. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.